girls out, be at things beauty. Look at this woman. 26 years old and still has that learn to walk in high heel shoes.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a fellow. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Hey y'all, so it is a Thursday afternoon at around, I don't have a watch, so I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 3:30. So I have an orthodontist appointment to see the final stages of my Invisalign. I was supposed to be done by now, but they said they wanted to push my teeth back a little bit more. So I'm going to go in to see if I'm going to get new trays or if this is it and they'll shave my teeth and do all the final step and all of that. And I have a wig video review that I'm supposed to do, so that's pretty much what our day is about to look like, because we had a late-ish start for today. So let's go. The sun is shining. Hey y'all, so I went to my orthodontist. That was like yesterday. I couldn't vlog inside because, you know, I feel weird that they're doing their job and I don't want to have my camera all up in my mouth and it's all distracting, and I wanted to make sure that, you know, sis was doing her job fixing my teeth. So anyways, so I'm not done yet. I have 18 more trays to go. That's 18 more plastic trays. So I'm not gonna be done until what, mid-November, kind of December, because after those 18 trays I'm gonna get 3 more. They said 3 more trays to, like, I don't know, align or retain or something. So they put like a couple more attachments in or on my teeth. So I got like 4 more attachments on the side because they want to push my teeth back some more. So yeah, so this is my little casey case that they gave me. I got a case full of aligners for 12 weeks, and then I have to go back. They're gonna check the progress again, see if anything needs to, you know, tweak, a little bit of tweaking, and then I'm gonna get the other 6 and then the 3. But anyways, I'm going to the mall. First I'm gonna go to the park to take some pictures, and then I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store and then the mall. So is y'all ready? Okay, let me just show y'all my fit for today. I don't even want to step on my rug in these shoes, but I only wore them outside one time, so hopefully it doesn't like mess my rug up, girl. I'm breaking my own rules. Anyway, so we got a Prada purse. I got this set from Shein. We're wearing some ones, some Air Force Ones. I just did a video on this curly hair, and this is the, let me just flip the camera around. This is the silver, the new silver Nala Lioness nose cuff that I'm wearing. I haven't put it on the website as yet. I have to do a quality check just to make sure that the quality is good. And yeah, that's basically it. So we're looking real cute, real simple, you know, for some errands. We about to go, so y'all, let's go. Simba? What's Simba? Hey guys, so it's a new day. Today is what, Saturday? We left you yesterday when we were doing a photo shoot, but today we are heading to a winery with our friends. Gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a good time. Simba not sure how he feel about wineries, you know.
I like wine. And
you like wine? You don't like wine tasting? You don't like wine tasting?
yo, you wanna go there and ask for a sweet wine?
Yes, a sweet white wine. That's it.
I'm a wine connoisseur, so I can tell you the different type
A
of
wine.
wine. I said it right.
I just want to make sure you pronounce it
Don't
properly.
play my vocabulary.
What you say? You're a very.
I speak 3 languages.
Which 3 languages you speak?
English,
Okay.
French,
Okay.
and Anguillian.
That's not a language.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You have an Anguillan dialect,
No,
but it's not a
it
language.
is a language.
Oh, okay.
Jamaican patois language.
Yes.
Okay, so Anguillian is a language.
Okay, simple. Anyway,
Tell
so
you what's
yeah, we're just waiting around for everybody to be ready, and then we will be on our way.
What's that B by your foot?
Ooh.
B or B?
A bee? So help me, no, you're gonna make it sting me.
Yeah,
What
my
the
business.
fuck?
That you nature problem.
I'm lying.
No, they had a video for you. I ain't telling you.
You too
They went on
lie.
the floor just now.
Simba, looking at the camera and tell them where you lie.
Like someone left it sting you.
You're a liar.
Like someone left it sting you, that's all.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you shouldn't mean it. Don't sting me. Don't trouble me. Evening. What that fly? Oh, what fly?
Say what's a fly. You're annoying. So we are in Niagara Falls. Or where are we
Yeah,
in?
Niagara.
We're in Niagara. We're not in Niagara
Niagara
Falls.
Falls
Okay.
is a part
Can we
of
go
Niagara.
Niagara Falls? No. So we missed the winery because you know these people be late. Not me though, because I was early. But what you say? It wasn't a lie. I was actually somewhat. Well, I never did late in the definition of late. More like yeah, you get it. We're going to this restaurant called White Oaks Resort and Spa. This patio. It's a hotel or resort, and it has a patio that I saw on TikTok. So we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna try another winery later. So we just chilling. You know, girls out, be at things views. Simba.
That'll be fun.
Simba, come now. Sure. Outfit of the day. Wait, I never show them outfit of the day. Outfit of the yeah. Give them the story or you got vex. Guys, Simba's supposed to iron a shirt for me, and the shirt got messed up. But it wasn't done. It was purple shampoo.
So
didn't you see the purple shampoo? Anyway, no. Simba was supposed to iron a shirt for me.
No, actually,
and while he was ironing it in the
story.
basement.
Anyway, the story is, right? Siobhan, what is upside down? Anyway, Siobhan bought a steamer. She was steaming her shirt. Fine, cool. You taking care of that? That's quite okay. That's your responsibility. Then all of a sudden she was like, "Can you iron this for me?" While I was ironing my clothes. So I went downstairs to iron my clothes, and you know I ironed hers. But for some reason, I don't know who to use purple shampoo. I definitely don't use purple shampoo. I'm a natural, shea moisture type of guy. Anyway,
So, okay.
Shampoo was on the ground. Somebody who spilled shampoo didn't clean it up. So while I was ironing, the shirt kind of dragged on the shampoo. But I didn't realize that I bring it back upstairs. And then when I bring it upstairs, I was like, what the hell is that blue stuff on the thing? And yeah, so that
I was on time. Simba messed up my shirt. I had to get a different shirt. It's a good thing I had a backup shirt that I wanted to wear. Anyway, so this is a shirt from Pretty Little Things. These glasses are from Fancy Couture on Instagram. You know, we had to get the Brandon Blackwood purse in denim, and then we got some Dior on the feet. Guys, look at my chip toe. Oh my god. We're heading into the patio now for a good time. What time is it? Is it time? Yes. Okay, let's go.
I say them type of drinks and I go every day.
I can't wait. Oh, tiny and
Yeah,
I'm just ready for the
deal up with activities. They're coming in, so activities must run.
no, but I'm ready.
No, I know we're dry, but like the group will go on water. So like yeah, we just do things like.
I doubt y'all can hear me because this wind is crazy. I'm awake. It's blowing. So it is Sunday. I am going on a mommy and me date. Hey, mommy and me. I chew the cut. Hi. We're going to STK Steakhouse for dinner. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. We can make it. I thought the words could make it. And yeah, that is the Sunday vibe for today. I'm gonna look so bright. Let me even turn on the aperture. Okay, there we go. Ooh, this looks better. Yeah, so that's the vibe for today. We're saying you drink when in the Alpha Drive. The lady said, the waitress said this is a sangria-ish, but extra booze. I asked mom, I said, mommy, you're driving. Are you okay with the drink? She's like, yeah, that's fine. When we got it, the alcohol in there is intense. Look, she can't drink it. I'm gonna drink it. Extra booze from noon. Extra drink. Yeah, right here. But yeah, I got the lobster, the Canadian lobster roll. So we're gonna see how we do. Why not focus? Oh, sorry. I'm gonna try to wait for my camera focus, guys. Mommy have me. She know I can't walk in heels, right? Everybody that knows me know I can't walk in heels. Why this lady have me walking up and down in heels?
Practice.
No, mommy.
You're not truly dressed unless you have on heels.
Wait a second, I'm not truly dressed unless I have on heels. But I feel dressed right now. What are you talking about?
Exactly, because you're wearing heels.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. I'm like staggering right now. I can't even hold the camera well. I'm like dying on the inside. Everybody's watching me like bending my knees. Like my knees are bending. You know those girls that
My heels are higher than yours, aren't
what?
they? Yes, they are.
Are they?
Yes,
Look at
sir.
my ears.
My heels are higher than yours are. Yes, they are.
Well, the point is, Chev is not used to walking in heels, so this is that task. I think I'm gonna come about to fall. Mommy, come hold my hand.
Poor child.
Mommy parking Whole Foods. Suppose the people I'm getting a ticket for parking at Whole Foods parking lot.
No, it says public parking. That's why you have to
But it's at Whole Foods.
pay. That's how I pay the bill.
We say as long as they pay, but they can't tell you nothing. That's easy. I don't think I say it work.
Yep.
Mommy, may I slide?
I don't think you're enough. Look at this woman. 26 years old and still has not learned to walk in high heel shoes. Oh my god, what did I do wrong? That's horrible. They're not even high. Oh my gosh, Siobhan. Oh.
Because I can't concentrate. Show them how you walk in heels, ma. Show them how you walk in heels. Yeah. With the wedge heels. Walk, 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 walk. You crack me up. Oh shit, my mask. My mask. Security's coming. My mask. Shit, mom, I can't put on my mask. Yeah, mommy parked in Whole Foods. Look at that. We're in a friggin' supermarket with heels on.
What's the going on, right?
Yeah. Pizza?
I think so.
I'm sorry, that's why we can't hold in here. The man just wanna go do that boat for. Come here, leave it. Like, sir, this can't share. You're cute though today. How was your mommy and me dates?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. You eat some steak.
Some steak.
Sirloin. That's all?
Some New York steak.
Mommy, you know the girls nowadays take pictures in the parking lot. I think you should take a parking lot. Is this one? I think you should take a parking lot picture. Mommy hate. No, not because I don't want to take pictures beside somebody's car. That's so tacky. Mommy hates taking. Mommy's like the worst picture taker. Okay? The worst. Mommy, people take picture in the parking lot. You have to take picture for me. Come car. Come the car. Alright, I'm gonna make mommy take a picture of me and then I'm gonna come back.
A lot of money in this mouth. Hey yo, Bia, I just been the block. See that you Tamara? What's Tia?
Man, hands on my knees, taking that on my thigh shit. I've been listening to
500
some
meters,
shit.
merge onto Don Valley Parkway North.
Hands on my knees, taking that on my thigh shit. Happily. Okay, y'all, it has been a long and dragging week. This week has been so freaking long. This is the end of the vlog. Thank y'all for watching. You know, all that good stuff. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, you need to subscribe down below, guys. Like, them two sangria drink thingamajigs, they got me. So I'm gonna go lay down and see what I need to do for the next week to prep. You feel me? So yeah, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, you need to go do that at Chev. And I'll see y'all in my next video, sober and fresh and ready. Okay, so go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, come Stella. Let me